Today what we're going to be doing is spread out over the day. I'm going to be clearing out an Acco drain. Let me show you what that is. So this is an Acco drain. It runs quite a distance, this one, all along here and goes all the way up there. So we're going to start by lifting the drain cover. And then we can get inside to get rid of all the silt and the leaves and everything else that's built up inside there. So the sections of drain lid vary in length, but they're not very long, probably about 18 inches, and they have two screws holding a clamp down, or clamping it down, and we're going to undo those today using a little hexagon. And it has a hole in the end. Let's see that, there we go, hole in the end that fits on the little bar inside there. Oh, sometimes they come right out, no problem. They don't need to come right out. And then once that's done, we can then use something to prise it up. For these, I'm going to try and lift them. I have a shovel. Basically pop it under there and pop each one out. As you can see, there's lots of rubbish and stuff in the drain. They're not very deep, they only go down, but there's lots of it's mud and silt. So the first job would be to remove the covers and get it exposed. So what we've done now, we've taken the lids off, probably just under halfway. That's going to be my first section. I'm going to work on a section at a time. That way, if I think I'm going to run out of time or I just can't do it, then I can always leave it. It will still be there the next day or a couple of days' time. So let's have a look in and see what you can see. It is absolutely chock-a-block with mud and leaves, rotting, decaying vegetation and things like that. So this is what's causing our problem. When we get heavy rain, this path being quite low down and being fed by this slope here, all the rainwater was running down there, pooling in here, and this path is flooding. Now, a little trowel and a bucket, and we're going to start clearing all the debris and leaves and bits of rubbish out of the drain. I've cleared out all that drain that I lifted the lid on. I was fortunate actually because it starts off quite deep, and I was also looking for the outlet into the manhole, and and as you can see it's a lot clearer now. I've chucked a couple of buckets of water down. The outlet for the manhole is actually here, which is quite a way from the manhole, so I thought it was actually up near the path up there, near where the power drill is, so there you go, how wrong you can be. So it's down here, but also I was actually quite fortunate that the drain actually steps up, so it goes from being quite deep, which was also very full, to being quite shallow. Now when you're replacing these, if there's any with cutouts, there are a couple here, you have to make sure obviously they go back in the right place. So this one's got a cutout in the corner, and that is for this bit of pipework here. Right, so it goes in there. Now we can smash it in with a hammer. The problem with that is it can make them shatter. They're cast iron, and they can shatter. So if you hit them too hard, you're going to break them, and that's going to cause more problems. So I would recommend using a block of wood of some sort. Here's one I made earlier, and just put that on there and hit that rather than hit directly onto the cast iron. So you tap it a few times and it will just pop down, and then once it's down and in position, you can just tighten up the screws with the battery drill. That's got in. That's how you do it. Right, so pop that in, give it a tap, that goes in. Battery drill, just do it till it nicks, don't have to overdo it, and then you get the next one, and so on. Get it in position, and down. There we work our way along. Oop. That's good. Right. So I've been carrying on putting these down. I had a struggle with a few of them. They were really, really tight. Basically, when you're putting them in, you've got this piece of rubber here and a piece of rubber there, and they're trying to squish in, and they were really struggling. I was having a lot of problems. They've been in the ground a long time, and they're probably very hard and not easy to squash. So I had a little thought about it, and I've got some spray lubricant. It's actually bike lubricant, but there we go. It doesn't matter. It does the job. And I've given it a little spray, and I've done the last few, and I gave it a spray with that, and they've gone in a lot easier with a little tap. So it's a little tip. So basically a little bit of a lubricant on these rubber things will help to make them go in easier. There you go. I'm going to carry on and put a few more down now, and then and hopefully get all these ones put back, because I've got quite a few to go. I might have put another few in and then go and have another coffee break, I think. Oh, so it's over a week later now, and I've finished cleaning out the Acco drain. So we're going to have a quick look at that now. It's a little bit dark outside, but we'll try to see what we can see. We have had heavy rain for the last couple of days, and this area hasn't flooded, so that's solved that problem. So let's have a quick look. As you can see, we've had a lot of rain. The ground's still very wet, but the drain has no water in it. It's all soaked away. It's already started to build up leaves over the top. But now with regular maintenance, maybe once every couple of weeks, give it a hose through. That should help to keep it clear, especially this time of year. We're into February now. It's that sort of time of year where we get a lot of rain, so until we get the heavy thunderstorms in September. Oh well, anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon.